Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Steve's Tech Vlog. Today I just received a brand new gadget. It's called the Huawei Body Fat Scale. Just got this an hour ago, haven't opened it, haven't seen it, haven't used it before. Basically this is a automated body health scale and today I'm going to do an unboxing and an initial review of this. So let's have a look at the box. Basically it's a body scale. It's connected to the phone or the app via Bluetooth. It says that it's got 9 body composition indicators, and it's automated up to 10 users. I suppose it can detect up to 10 different users automatically. Let's have a look at the box. Hope the camera can focus on this. So it says that it shows the base metabolic rate, weight, of course, it's a body scale, body fat percentage, muscle mass. I have got no idea how it does that. Bone mineral content, protein, body water percentage, BMI. I suppose this one is set through the app by ways of telling it your height, and visceral fat, basically the fat around your abdomen. So let's have a look at this. So I've not opened this. Trusty knife. There we go. Okay, let's open. Let's see if I can actually. Okay, there we go. Alright, so let's have a look at this. This is just a body cover, a box cover I mean, and it's white in color. Instruction says place scale on a flat hard surface to ensure accurate measurement. Do not stand on the edges of the scale to prevent risk of falling. It's not very high, so there's no risk of falling here. After weight measurement is complete, wait patiently for body fat measurements to finish. Alright, let's basically open this thing up. And I don't think there is anything else in the box, is there? Oh, there's a package, let me see. Okay, there's nothing else in the box. Let's see what's in the package. Okay, it's a quick start guide, manual, warranty card. Alright, let's push this aside then. Let's have a look at the scale itself. Okay, I'm going to close this thing up. Let the scale on top, move this away. Alright, so remove this film before use. Alright, so the logo is leveled correctly. So this will be up. Okay, there we go. I'm going to remove this. Okay, I'm just going to leave it on the box then. There. I suppose this needs some batteries, so let's have a look at what we need. Alright. This. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 AAA batteries, which I conveniently bought in anticipation of receiving the scale. I don't know why they need so many batteries though. Alright, so the sound's on, so let's close this. I don't know if you can actually see this. It says 0. So I hope you can actually see this. Let me just turn on the brightness a little bit more. Alright, so I've downloaded the Huawei Body Fat Scale app, and I've got my Bluetooth turned on. I'm just going to turn up the app. Agree. Next, start. Okay, device is not pair, so can I say pair? Lightly step on the scale. Okay, so apparently I need to step on the scale, so I'm going to move my camera around a little bit and I will come back. Right, so I have set up the scale on the floor, and I'm just going to show you the app again. So it basically says pair. So I apparently need to step on the scale first. Let's see if I can. Just remember that the top of the scale is on the left hand side, towards the box. So let me just see if I can step on the scale. My God, am I heavy? Okay, so I'm going to say, please step lightly on the scale. Okay, there we go. Step lightly on the scale. I'm going to say pair. Stand on the scale for more than 3 seconds to complete pairing. Okay, so I'm going to stand on my scale. Okay, there we go. So this is paired. Alright, so let me just come back to the app and we can configure the app. I'm going to rotate it like this. Bear with me on this. So it says no user added. So let me make sure I orient this properly for the video. Just going to say add. Gender, so that's me, male. Date of birth, I suppose I can just set anything. Okay. Height, I think I'm at 174. Once the profile is complete, gender cannot be modified. Alright, so definitely male. Name, Steve. Done. Please step on the scale barefoot. Okay. Let me just do that. So it's probably doing some measurement. And I'm going to show you what is on the screen. Alright, so it's done a measurement. Okay. So let's have a look at what it says. So clearly I'm overweight. I think the target weight is probably recommended. Okay, which is about right. So it shows me some of the metrics. Weight is 79 kgs, body fat percentage 22%, BMI 26. I think the healthy BMI is about 24, 23. Metabolic rate 1740, visceral fat 10.5, muscle mass, I don't know if this is accurate, bone mineral content, protein, body water percentage. Last recorded weight at this date, this time, body fat percentage. Okay, so this is the first measurement. I think over time it should basically show some trends and so on. Now, I just want to show you how we use the body scale once you set it all up. You don't need the phone or the app because it caches the data into the scale itself. So you just basically like step on the scale anytime, measures your weight, then it goes on to measure all the other metrics. I think that's probably body fat. That took about like 5 to 6 seconds. Okay. So once you have taken your measurements daily, you basically go back to your app and turn Bluetooth on, and then go to your body fat scale app. It will basically sync and download offline information. So it says offline data sync. it will automatically sync, and it shows me all the records when I have taken it, the date and the time. So well, that's how simple it is to use this body scale. Now I'm going to be interested to see how this ties in back with my Huawei Health app. So the measurement is done. It's the scale is actually synced. Let me just go back to look at the Huawei Health because I actually have a Huawei band. Let's see if it says devices body fat scales. It's strange that it doesn't support the this is so strange. The Huawei Health app is not supported with the Huawei body scale. This is so strange. Alright, this is certainly not a good thing. So it works with the body scale app only. And I suppose you can keep measuring it every day so that it shows you some trends and so on. Trends. Okay, so this will be basically your history. So I'll come back and look at it after maybe 2 or 3 weeks, and then we'll have a look at it. Okay. It's probably worth saying that I bought this online for about 35 US dollars, and for a automated intelligent body scale, I think that's alright, and it gives us quite a lot of different metrics that it measures. Alright, so that's a short introduction for the Huawei body scale, body fat scale, and I'll come back and do a video sometime later.